Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. The last couple of days have been really good to Ripple and XRP. In fact, so good that there are now theories popping up. There's almost conspiracy level theories popping up that Ripple has already settled with the SEC, and we're going to find out in the next couple of days. Well, in my opinion, these are a bit too much, but these have all stemmed from the events of the past couple of days and also about a major event which happened today, and that is the SEC is really pushing back hard against Ripple because of one critical point that Ripple has in its defense, and that is the fair notice defense. So the SEC really wants to push a Ripple, so basically to break it down, but Ripple obviously knows that this is such an important event that there is a very high chance that Ripple might actually win this lawsuit based on one of these critical points. And this has stemmed the whole conspiracy theory on the major events that are happening. Also, if you guys have been following this Ripple lawsuit, you might know that recently the SEC was supposed to have a closed meeting a day before yesterday, but they postponed it to yesterday, and again it has been postponed to 13th May. And that is also one of the reasons why a lot of people in the Ripple and XRP community are saying that, hey, there is a very high chance that we might actually see a Ripple settlement this month. We'll be talking about this and some more interesting details coming from the Ripple and XRP world. But before that, let's take a look at the price of XRP and one very minor update to my subscribers. Well, if you're new to my channel, I currently have a massive 500 XRP giveaway to my subscribers, and it is pretty easy to win this. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, give this video a like, and third, leave a comment below. And all of the details regarding this massive 500 XRP giveaway, I will be putting it in the description box below, and I'll also pin a comment. So guys, definitely enter into this 500 XRP giveaway. And for those of you who have already entered into it from yesterday's video, you don't need to do it again. It is only for those people who are new to my channel who will be watching this video today. Anyways, let's talk about the price of XRP. The price of XRP is trading at around $1.58, $1.59, below 2% compared to yesterday, and about 2% up compared to 1 week ago. So the price of XRP has somewhat stabilized within these trading ranges. And if you're looking at the price of XRP today, the high point was at around $1.62, and since then it has slightly decreased, but it is still trading within around that $1.6 range. Now the good thing here is that the 20-day exponential moving average of XRP has been increasing, and it currently stands at around $1.43, and the price of XRP is above this, so it kind of shows a very good side for XRP. But the thing is that we are still pretty far away, at least from that the yearly high of around $1.96, which a lot of people are expecting. Even myself, we are expecting that we might cross that this year. So that is not this year, this month, excuse me. So this is something that a lot of people are really looking forward to. And now if you're talking about the daily chart here, the daily chart, the summary stands at a strong buy, moving averages at a buy, technical indicators at a strong buy, and importantly RSI at a buy position. For the weekly, the summary at a strong buy, RSI at a buy, and for the monthly position, summary at a strong buy and the RSI at a buy position. So things are looking pretty good for XRP, at least in terms of the price, but we are yet to see any major event that might cause the price of XRP to cross that psychological barrier of $2, which is really important for XRP to cross before hitting that all-time high of around $3.84. So lots of interesting things to come. Well, let's talk about this really important letter which the SEC sent to Judge Ned Burns today regarding this discovery dispute which Ripple and the SEC currently has going on, and that is to do with the lack of fair notice. For those of you who don't know, this is actually a federal mandate that the SEC has to inform the companies that they might be breaking the law, and which the Ripple is saying that, hey, the SEC never informed us. So this is what one of the main core defenses that Ripple's attorneys are presenting, and this is one of Ripple's basically the strongest point in this lawsuit so far. And the SEC is trying to attack this because it knows that this is such a big deal that it needs to get this out. Basically what happened today was the SEC sent a letter to Judge Ned Burns. As they put it, Plaintiff Securities and Exchange Commission SEC respectfully requests an informal conference pursuant to a local rule where the SEC will ask the court to enter an order compelling Ripple Labs to produce documents constituting, transmitting, or discussing any legal advice Ripple sought or received as to whether Ripple's offers and sales of XRP were or could be subject to and in compliance with the federal securities law. Ripple has put the legal advice it received at issue by asserting as an affirmative defense that Ripple reasonably understood that the federal securities law law did not apply to its offers and sales of XRP, and thus waived privilege over its advice it received on this question. So what is happening here is basically in 2012, Ripple talked to two legal advisors and asked, hey, are they breaking this law? And those are documents related to that event during 2012. The SEC really wants to get those information because it wants to find anything in which they can say, hey, look guys, these legal advisors basically said that you might be breaking a law and you are doing it. So this is what the SEC is trying to do. And obviously, as you guys can understand from the lawsuit so far, that Ripple is not letting the SEC go that easily, because Ripple has a very good defense here, and they're saying that, hey, we are not required to give you these documents because we have not given these documents to any investors outside. But obviously there's a lot of legal jargon going on, a lot of back and forth, but things are looking pretty interesting for Ripple and XRP. Moving further, basically at this point, Ripple's the community's attorney here, John Deaton, he has the same thing as what I've just said, and he's like, hey, from what we're looking at it so far, the lack of fair notice defense is a very strong point that Ripple is really presenting. And he says that the due process lack of fair notice defense had real teeth. This proves the SEC also considers the defense a real threat. Ripple has argued that the legal memos only show general advice that it's possible to utilize and sell XRP in a way that violates securities law, but ultimately concludes that Ripple itself isn't a security. And he tweeted a bit more interesting stuff, but the overall summary here is that this Ripple's lack of fair notice, and I think, and I have said in some of my previous video, once Judge Ned Burns rules on this and says that, hey, this is a pretty big deal, the SEC should consider, the Ripple should consider and put it forward, I think at that point, and as I have said previously, I would be buying more XRP, because that would be one of the strongest indicators that the Ripple has a very strong chance to win this Ripple lawsuit. So things are, in my opinion, this month is going to be a very, very interesting month. And also one of the reasons why there are so many theories going on saying that, hey, the Ripple settlement is happening this month, and some of them are saying that it has already happened. But there you go. Now, regarding the talk of this Ripple settlement, which people are saying that, hey, we are going to see this happen, and some conspiracy theories out there saying, hey, it has already happened and we're going to find out in the coming week. But in my opinion, one of the strongest factors that people are talking about this Ripple lawsuit settlement is that there was supposed to be a meeting, and a closed meeting for the SEC's top branch, and they're going to be discussing a lot of different cases in that. But obviously one of the biggest lawsuit that SEC has put forward is against Ripple and XRP. So this is why people are saying that. And also in the last couple of days, this last week, you get to find out that SEC is bringing its top guns, is bringing these really powerful lawyers, and those lawyers have specialized in settlement talks. And this is where the whole explosion of theory started. They're like, hey, they're bringing these lawyers who are specializing in settlement, and the meeting has been postponed, and now it is on 13th May because they want to give those lawyers some time to kind of discuss some terms and conditions that they might present to Ripple in a form of settlement. So this is where these things are starting to get really, really interesting. And also I saw this Reddit post in which basically it said that, hey, 10 billion XRP is missing, and Ripple might have given it to the SEC. Well, I'm pretty sure that's not what happened. So it was just a glitch on CoinMarketCap. And if you're comparing to some other crypto watch out there, those are showing cut, but CoinMarketCap is actually showing a lower number. But again, the big thing here is this month is going to be a pretty big deal for Ripple and XRP. And obviously, when we're talking about Ripple and XRP, we are definitely talking about the price of XRP. Well guys, that was the video for today, and before ending it, I do want to remind you guys to make sure to enter into this 500 XRP giveaway. All the details of that I will be linking in the comment sections. I'll post a comment and also in the description box below, so make sure that you enter this giveaway because it's literally free money which you can win. Well guys, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and obviously turning on that bell icon so you do not miss any of my videos. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.